Why is it so important that we all start embracing our extraordinary?
It's about embracing all of those different parts of us. And we talk about it as being able to embrace our true nature. Once we're able to embrace that true nature, we're able to then open up and unlock potential and possibility. We have so many different parts to us as extraordinary beings. What I find is that people do life embracing only certain parts of themselves. And therefore, it makes it challenging to be able to achieve our dreams or goals and what it is that we want to achieve in life.